OK，晚上好。来，我们来开始啦，Let's start。来，开始。Anna Rose 可以吗？你好，Hello。
Hello? Ako po
Yes.
ba?
Yes, Anna Rose.
Okay po. Um, Ni hao. Hello? Ni,
Mm-hmm.
you, how, good, okay. Ching Moon, may I ask, excuse me? Ching, please invite. Un, ask. Chao, be called. Chen me, what? Mingzi, name. Wu,
Mm-hmm.
I, me. Ni, particle used to ask question. 允是 know, get to know. 很 very.
Hen, the third tone. Hen.
很 very. 高兴 glad, happy. 小姐 miss. 对不起 sorry. 请 sorry.
OK, it's nice. 好的，谢谢。来，Nikki 可以吗？Nikki，
Sorry, ma'am. 你好，
你好，tones。你好。
你好，请问
Plus the English, plus the meaning. 你好，hello. Para ma-memorize.
你好，hello. 你好, good, okay. 请问 may I ask, excuse me? 请 please invite.
Everyone try to exage pa yung third tone. 请
请 please invite. One ask. 要 be cold.
叫
要 be cold. 什么
什么
what 什么
Okay,
what
later we will the four tones para umayos yung reading part nyo. Okay?
名词
名
name
字
名
字
名词
字 that Z. Z kasi that Z sounds is letter J. The letter
名词
Z.
名词名词
So check the difference ha. Pag letter J, Z. Pag letter Z, Z. 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 Yun yung difference. Okay?
名词
Yun, 名词。
name 我爱你
Yung third tone, 我
那
na
article na
again is
na
na
na particle used to ask questions. 认识
认识
no 认识 no get to know. 很 very 高兴 glad happy
高兴
高兴 glad happy. 小姐 miss
小姐
小姐
no, you need to pronounce the initial final. How to help? Like, you check what is the sounds of X. C, then what is the sounds of the final? C, Yao, C, Yao,
Yao.
then you put together. Xiao, Xiao, then the tone. Xiao.
Xiao Jie.
Hmm.
Du bu xiao. Du bu xie.
对不起
Dui bu chi. Dui bu chi. Sorry.
No
Sing.
D sound. No D sounds.
对
对不起
Dui bu chi. Dui bu chi. Sorry. Sing. Surname, family name.
Okay.
Tuy-
Nikit, keep practice reading, ha? So,
Yes.
sing. Tone. Sing.
Sing.
So, you to adjust your tones.
Sing.
So, how to adjust the tones? Like, we will use the sing, ha? Sing, 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 sing. I-try nyo i-analyze what is the difference of the 4 tones. We will practice that later. Kahit we use the one session para lang ma-perfect nyo yung tones nyo. Kasi some have background din yung advantage, no? But still have need something to adjust pa rin. Like, eponym nila. So everyone, if you are reading, always check what is the initial letter, what is the final letter. So you read the initial letter first, and then read the final letter first, then you put it together para mas clear yung reading part mo. Like xiao, hirap ka na hirap sa xiao, so it will be si, yao, then you put it together, xiao, then you get the tones. So if you forgot the tones, you start with xiao, 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 then you get the third tone, xiao. So kaya kailangan mo i-perfect kahit yung a, para ma-adapt mo siya sa every new vocabulary words that you are learning. It really helps. Kasi kunyari, I assist you in this part. Naturuan ko kayo how to read it. Paano next time pag wala sila o sure? So tama? So at least you know how to pronounce it properly pa rin without me. But wait. So always check first initial, final, and the tones. Then put it together. Kasi hindi pwede tayong mag-learn ng Mandarin na mali-mali lahat ng tono. We cannot just pass by that. Kasi it's really hard. Hindi kayo magkakaintindihan and magkakaroon ng misunderstanding. So tama? May mga some instances, I forgot what is the word, na medyo malapit din, nagkamali lang na tones. It's different na talaga. Okay, how to like, hi sure, Evelyn, ni hao, hello.
Ni hao, hello. Ni, you, how, good, okay. Qing Wen, may I ask, excuse me? Qing, please invite. Wen, ask. Tiao,
Bagsak.
be called. Tiao. 什么 be called what? 名字 name.
名字
我 I me. 名字
wala masyadong
No.
名字
名字
Okay.
呢 particle used to ask question. 认识 know get to know. 很 very. 高兴 glad happy. 小姐 miss. 对不起 sorry. Sing surname family name.
Yung fourth tone lang, Eponin, your sounds is good. Okay naman siya. And reading part is good. Yung 名字, saka yung fourth tone mo. 高兴, bagsak pa. 高兴. 调, 请问. Full pa na, ibuo pa siya. Lai Lauren nila.
你好 hello. 你 you how good okay. 请问 May I ask, excuse me, Ting, Ting, please invite, sorry,
Okay.
Wen, ask, Jiao, be called, Shen Me, what, Meng Zi,
什么 The
Shen
end
Me,
sound, ano yan? Parang, tawag dito, I forgot. Pwedeng hindi basahin, but it can be also included. No? Yung end sound ng 什么
Shen Me, what, Meng Zi, name,
名字名字
means, name, wo, I, me, ne, particle used to ask questions, 认识, know, get to know, 很, very, 高兴, glad, happy, 小铁, miss, 对不起, sorry,
对不起 Okay.
对不起, sorry, Sing, surname, family name.
Oh, the CC. It's nice that some of you have ano na, konting adjustment na lang. Like Clarice nila. But others still can, just keep on reading and reading. Mafa-familiar nyo rin yan. Go ahead, Clarice.
Hello, ma'am. Ni hao, hello. Ni, you, how, good, okay. Ching Wen, may I ask,
Wen.
excuse me. Ching Wen, may I,
Good.
Ching Wen, may I ask, excuse me. Ching, please invite. Wen, ask. Chiao, be called. Shen Me, what? Shen Me, what? Ning Zi, name, wo, I, me, en, ne, particle used to ask questions, ren shi, ne,
Don't,
ren
wag mo
shi,
na, habaan mo pa.
ne, particle used to ask questions, ren shi, no, get to know, han, very, gout, sing, glad, happy,
Kaoxing. Kaoxing. No, G.
gao sing, glad, happy, xiao che, miss, tui pu chi, sorry,
Pepuchi.
tui pu chi, sorry, Ting, surname or family name.
Sing. Okay, for tone, no? Sing. Like, 谢谢. So, Yani, 完了吗 Yani?
你好, hello. Me, you, how, good, okay. Ching Wen, may I ask, excuse me. Ching, please. Wen,
Mhm.
ask. Kiao, be called.
Kiao.
Shen Me. Kiao, be called Shen Me. What? Ming Zi, name. Wu,
名字
Ming Zi, name. Wu, I,
我
me,
open mo pa yung
Wo.
mouth mo.
wo, I, me, ne, ni,
What is the sounds of letter
na,
E?
na,
Yun. Na.
na. Particle used to ask question. Renshi,
认识
no, renshi, no, get to know. Han, very, Gao Sheng,
The G sounds. 高兴.
Gao Xin, Gao Xin, glad, happy, Xiao Zhe, miss, to, Tau, Taupuchi,
Wait,
Taupuchi, Tui,
Wei.
Puchi,
Put.
Tui,
Remember, I is U-E-I sounds. Wei. So, Wei.
Puchi. Sorry, Xing, surname and family name.
Sing. No? Kasi,
Xing,
the letter X is, the sounds of X is C, Sh,
Z,
ganyan. S,
Can
you see different?
Shing,
S lang, S, kapag SH,
Sing,
Ch, then this one is C. Parang letter C, parang you are reading the letter C.
Sing,
Okay, sing.
Sing.
So this is just keep on reading lang until ma-familiar nyo what is the sounds of this that letter. 好不好？来，还有下一个是谁？ is it Marjun? Marjorie? 不好意思。
Sorry. Oh no, it's wrong. Hello. Can you hear me? Sorry po.
Yes. What is the name?
Kate po. Kate. Hello,
Okay.
Kate po.
Si Kate. You are Kate.
Change lang po ako ng account.
Okay.
Ni hao. Hello. Ni, you, how, good. Ching Wen, may I ask, excuse me. Ting, please invite. Wen, ask. Chao, be called. Shen Ma, what? Mingzi, name. Wo, I. Ne, article used to ask questions. Ren Shi, no, get to know. Hen, very. Gao Xing, glad. Xiao Zhe, miss. Dui Puchi, sorry. Ting, surname.
Okay.
Hello.
So, So, sige. Okay, sige. We have time naman later. We will practice the 1 to 10. Then I will try if we have time for the 4 tones. Let's try to read this one. Okay, so memorize now what is the meaning of each vocabulary words. Like, what is name? What is name? Everyone,
You.
name. Name, name.
Mingzi.
Mingzi. And then what is hello?
你好
Ni
And then
hao.
how about what?
what 我
What? The what mismo na what?
Shen Ma,
什么
Shen
什么什么
Shen Ma,
Again, what?
Shen Ma.
什么
How about may I ask?
Xing Wen
One.
Wen.
Xing
Wen.
Wen
To know or get to
Xing
know?
Get to
认
know.
识认识
Ren.
Friendship.
认
Friendship.
Sorry.
Friendship.
Dui Puchi.
Puchi.
Dui Puchi. What about Miss
小学
Xiao.
Xiaojie? Sige.
Xiao.
Tomorrow na lang kayo ng sentence Please memorize all the vocabulary words. How ma? So for today, magpa-practice tayo ng tones. Para everyone take home tonight, keep practicing your tones para hindi din, we will keep on reading the perfect tones na para hindi masayang yung time din natin. And then we can learn a lot of things. How? Okay. Start with you, Eponine, 可以吗? So everyone can listen and try to practice also in your end first. Ha? Para if it's up to you, you know how to read na. Lai Eponine, 可以吗? Read the 1 to 10.
1、2、3、4、5、6、
六、
7、
七、
8、
八、
9、
九、
10。
十。
Nice yung chi, pa, pero yung number 1 mo, Eponine.
一、
1、
Yun, that's the correct one. E, no? How about number 10?
十、
10、
Akyat.
十、
10。
Akyat.
十、
Aspa. 10。
Shi is a first tone. So, sige. You try the first, second, third, fourth tone using number 10. Eponine, can you give me the first for number 10?
Okay. 10、
Second tone?
10、
Same, di ba?
10。Oh.
So, remember, ang second tone para kang nagtataka. You're like asking a questions. So, how
Sure.
you... di ba? Nakuha mo. So, that's how you learn
1.
it. Okay?
Okay.
Sige. Eponine, can you try first tone again?
10、
Second tone?
10、
Huwag masyado mahaba kasi ang second tone is, it's correct naman siya. The second tone is a little bit fast lang. Sure. Sure.
Sure.
Sure.
Differ mo siya from third. How
Sure.
about the third tone?
Sure.
Sure.
Good. The difference of T earth saka T sun, the second tone and the third tone. How about fourth tone?
Sure.
Sure.
Again, first tone,
Sure.
second,
Sure.
third,
Sure.
fourth.
Sure.
Give me third tone.
Sure.
Second tone,
Sure.
first tone,
Sure.
fourth tone,
Sure.
Anong tone pa?
fourth tone.
Sure.
Okay, read number 10. Second tone yan.
Sure.
See? Sige, read 1 to 10 again.
E. R.
Bagsak mo pa yung
San.
di ba you can?
E.
Sa dam.
E.
R.
Sige.
R.
Can you try ulit first tone ng number 2?
R.
First R.
Second tone,
R.
R.
third tone,
R.
fourth tone.
R.
Get the fourth tone.
R.
That's how you read it. Kasi nabitin yung mo kanina eh. So, always do like that, Ephanie. If nawawala yung tone, always go back to the 4 tones. Start with first, second, third, fourth. Kasi even Lauscher, the time that I am teaching, nahihirapan ako sa second and third. Kasi they are both same minsan. Especially if you are reading sentences na. Marami kasing magkakadikit na second and third tone. Like, 我从. Minsan nasasabay ko siya na parehong third tone. So, dun ako nag-i-start. So, how can I get the second tone? Lagi ako bumabalik sa first, second, third, fourth. Then I will get the tones that needed. Like, 从 Chong, 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 chong. So what is the second tone? Chong. That's how you learn it, everyone. How ma? So the assignment will be read the vocabulary words ni hao, but every time nawawala kayo sa tones, kasi mapapansin nyo rin by yourself eh. Then you just always go back to the first, second, third, and fourth tone. Nakuha yung style or technique on how to learn it, everyone?
Yes, Xiaoxue.
It naman, is it helpful ba or not? Kaya naman?
Kaya po.
Okay, so as I said, if you want to learn it na ma-perfect, kasi nothing perfect naman, diba? Nobody's perfect. Pero this one kasi, it's better na going to perfect tayo. Kasi since this is a Mandarin, kailangan perfect yung tones natin. Okay? Hama? So, even it's hard for you in your end, matyaga si Lausher, don't worry. I will always keep on correcting you. So, kailangan ma-accept nyo na lagi ko kayong inaayos. Sure, tama? Kahit paulit-ulit pa tayo. Well, until na maging make a habit na lahat okay siya. Before we proceed to, kasi if you are parang, ay, nakakainip pa ulit-ulit si Lausher. The problem is, even I keep on going sa lesson, okay, you already know a new vocab, but you read it improper or not correct tones, wala rin. Sayang yung minememorize nyo. Tuy-butoy. So, paano kayo maintindihan ng kausap nyo kung the tones is incorrect kahit alam mo yung vocabulary words? Tuy ma, it's not the vocabulary words that you need to, no, master muna. As of now, you need to master first your tones. Kasi ang vocabulary words, nandyan yan anytime eh. You can even search it, right? No? Pag na-master mo ang reading part, mas madali sa'yo matuto. Okay? Kasi dun ka mag-start mag-memorize. How to? Kasi if you don't have the perfect tones, nako, hindi ka naman tindihan ni Lausher. Lai? Itong isya. Sige, let's try. Lauren, 可以吗? Sorry, random muna tayo kasi we have a shorter time lang eh, diba? Short time lang. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay. 一、二、
Nice.
三、四、
Again, yung number 3.
三、
What is first tone?
三、
Balik ka
三、
sa number 1 mo. Tama yung 1 mo eh.
一、
Go to
二、
3.
一、三、
Ayun, di ba?
三、
Okay.
三、四、
Yun.
五、五、六、
The first one is correct. Kasi ang third tone may curve eh. Going down, then going up. Literal yun.
五、五、六、
I-O-U ang I-U.
IOU 六、
Iyo, pag I-O-U sa
六、
Lyo. Yun.
六、六、
Remember, I-U is I-O-U. U-I is U-E-I. So the sounds of U-I, ui, yung sa tuy, puchi. Then I-U, iyo. So, le, iyo, lyo. For tone, lyo.
六、
Dalawa pa naman.
六、
Hmm?
七、七、八、九、九、
The
十、
J sound. T, the letter J is T.
九、七、六、九、九、
Oh,
九、
diba?
十、
T plus iyo together. Tio.
九、九、十、十、十、
Okay. Akyat nga, second tone yung shi eh. What is first tone again, Lauren?
是是是
Again, first tone using number 10. First tone,
是
second tone,
是
nice. Third tone,
是
fourth tone.
是
Okay, get the second tone.
是
Yun. Nice. Okay.
Thank you.
Pag magaling na kayo, iwan na kayo ni Lausher, no? Okay. Ata, Anna Rose nila, try.
E,
First tone. E is second tone. Ang galing mo na alam mo yung
E.
second. Sometimes the second tone is the hardest part.
E,
First tone.
A,
Lang. Smooth lang ang first tone.
E,
Parang sa dentist. E.
E, E, san,
Tone. Earth.
E, san, si,
Yun.
wu, Leo,
Fourth tone. Bagsak pa.
shi, Leo,
Yun. Okay.
Leo, shi, ba,
Oo,
Gio,
no. Sounds, Anna.
po,
Letter B. Letter P with no air.
ba,
Letter
ba,
P.
Ay.
Yapa. Yun. Like
Pa.
papa. Pa.
Ya.
Okay.
pa, Gio, shi,
Third tone. Labas ang third tone.
Gio,
Tio.
Gio,
Okay. Anna, can you use for number 9 as first, second, third, and fourth tone para ma-practice mo? Go. What is first tone?
Gio,
First tone.
Gio,
The one that how you read
Gio,
the number 1, number 3, number 7, number 8. First tone.
Gio,
Tio.
Gio, Gio,
Second tone.
Gio,
Yun. Third tone.
Gio,
Tio. May curve. Tio.
Gio, Gio, Gio,
Fourth tone. Fourth tone. Galit.
Gio,
Yun. Give me third tone.
Gio,
Second tone.
Gio,
Yun. Yun ang gusto kong second tone. Medyo mabilis. No? A little bit fast. So first tone.
Gio, Gio,
You can try pag alin yung mas familiar mo, you can get that. Then gabalik ka kung ano yung first tone ng 9.
Okay po, Lausher.
Okay. Keep practicing, ah. So everyone got the
Yes.
point how to learn the 4 tones?
Yes.
So today is, I will try again tomorrow for others. So let me know sino yung natawag ko today. Kasi I will forget it tomorrow na. No? There's a lot of work and then a lot of class. Hindi ko na maalala. So I think today is Anna Rose, Eponine, right? And Lauren?
Yes po.
Okay, 3 of you, right? Okay. Sige, remind me tomorrow. So practice tayo, then we will still go back to our vocabulary words. So everyone, your assignment is keep reading the 1 to 10 in a perfect tones and the vocabulary words start memorizing. Kasi you need to know what is the meaning and you need to know like what is very is hen, what is happy, kausing. Okay? Para we can read the sentence na. No? Para we have a conversation tomorrow. If we already started the conversation, nandun na yung meron tayong actual or reality use na. Like use your own. Like, what is your name? Now you will answer me back. What is your name? 知道吗 ？Okay. 好的，再见，晚安，
抱歉。
再见。Stay safe, everyone, 哈。
Thank you. Stay
小心。
safe po.
Thank you,
Okay,
Mom.
See you tomorrow.
Yes.
不客气，谢谢。
谢谢。